How to use TradingView for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on TradingView. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to get started with TradingView, how to check out all the products, the marketplace available, and how to actually trade with your favorite crypto and more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to tradingview.com and you'll land on this website right here. TradingView is one of the most famous trading platform that you can go for, and we can actually sign up for free for this platform. We can get a free trial as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on get started and sign up or sign into your trading view. After the sign up, you'll be able to find different options such as products. In products, we have super charts, screeners, heat maps, economic calendar, and more. Then in marketplace, there is a market overview available. You can even go to the countries and you can check out the different trades in according to different location. In assets, there are stocks, crypto, forex, indices, futures, bonds, and world economy. So you can see all of the options are given at the top. This is our market summary here. In market summary, again, we can switch to different trading options. Here we have indices, stocks, and crypto. So if you trade in crypto, you can switch here. We also have forex, and it will show you the top pairs, and it will also show you a graph according to the option that you pick. If you want to check out the chart for the trading view, you can go to the markets here, and you can go to the products here, and we're going to go to the super charts, and it will take you right here. Now, this is where we need to work when we are trading on TradingView. Let me show you how to use it because there are a lot of different options given here, and as a complete beginner, it might be a little confusing. Well, at the top here, you'll be able to see the symbol that you have selected, and here you can actually add another symbol. So here you will find all of the stocks, and you can see we have funds, futures, forex, and more. Let's say I trade in crypto. So I'll switch to the crypto here, and here it'll show me these different symbols. Then we also have our simple stocks here. So in stocks, let's select this one. So once you select a symbol from here, it will be added. And you can also add another one for comparison. After that, this is the type of chart that we're seeing. We can go with the candle chart, line chart, area, and others. So the candle is the one that we kind of like go for. Then we have indicators here, alert, replay, and more. At this side of the screen, we have our cross that we can select. So let's say I want to go with arrow, cross, or dot. It totally depends on me. So I am going with the cross. So this is the tool that you will select. Then here are some of the tools to use on our chart. In our chart here, you will be able to see the volume and the percentage. Here we have our timeline. Then you can select auto or log. So this one is auto, toggle auto scale, and then we have toggle log scale. This is our candle chart. Now, if I want to draw a line, I can just simply go to the line, select it, and we can compare the two pricings, the high and the lows. Similarly, we can insert the text into our chart here. We can add emojis, we can add scales, zoom in or zoom out. We can even use the magnet. And at this side of the screen, we have the watch list. So these are the different symbols that we use within our chart here. And then we have watch list. Now, in watch list, what we can do is we can add different watch lists for our different symbols, for our different stocks, indices, and forex that we have added. Here we have our simple, alerts, data window, hot list, calendar, my ideas, and more. In order to trade, you can actually scroll down to this window here, and you'll be able to add your volume and your average volume and your currency, and you'll be able to buy. At the top here, we have publish option, and you will be able to publish with this option here. Then we have the dark mode, home, and others. So we can go back to our home to check out the other options. This is the chart that we can check out on TradingView. This is our marketplace. Within our marketplace, we'll be able to find different stocks. For example, I selected the US stocks. We can actually select different stocks according to different locations, as I showed you from the marketplace here. So we have US stocks here. It's showing me the stocks with the highest volume. If I want to get more information about a stock, I can just open it up. For instance, I want to get more information about the Tesla. So I'll click on it and it will give me more information such as the value, the graphs, and I will be able to then read the charts and actually know if I want to trade in this stock or not. So this is actually a pretty good view that we get in TradingView. Then we have our gainers and losers. So this is also another view that we're getting within our market. Here you can select the regular hours, pre-market, or after hours, and you'll be able to select your stock from here. We have the gainers and then we have the losers here. So you can see here, this is the marketplace. Again, if you want to check out any of these, you just select it. Then we also have crypto available. So with crypto, you'll be again getting all of the crypto options. We also have the community trends here with crypto, forex, futures, and stocks in it. With our crypto, we have our symbols, market cap available, and price change. So within crypto, again, we have Bitcoin available, Ethereum, all of the famous coins, Makers, Uniswap, and the coins that are rising. In community, again, as I showed you, we have different communities for stock, crypto, forex, and indices. If we talk about the products here, we also have the screeners. So find anything anywhere. In screeners, we have stock, forex, and crypto pairs that you can check out. Heat maps, see the lay of the land. So even the heat maps are available under the products. Within our markets, again, we have the Sparks here. Now, Spark is the highly researched list, and within the Sparks, you have work, and you can actually find different categories for finance, transport and logistics, environments, countries, crypto, and then you will be able to check out this researched list that has been created. So with TradingView, you'll be able to get a lot of different options, and you'll be able to actually trade very easily as a complete beginner. It has different options and brokers too. So you can go to the brokers here and go to all brokers, and you'll be able to explore further. In brokers, you will be able to find the all brokers and awarded, and this is where you can find the brokers for your trading. There is a pricing plan for TradingView. What you can do is you can go with free forever, or we have a pro for $14.95 per month. You can get a 30-day free trial. Then there is a Pro Plus, which is $29.95 per month. And then there is a Premium for $59.95 per month. You can check out any of these plans, and it shows all of the different features that you will be getting. So, yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question?